our online Zoom meeting, and I was very happy to meet you all, see you all. And first time I was seeing you all, maybe via through online, but I was so happy to meet you. It was such a wonderful experience. And very soon next week also we will conduct the same Zoom meeting, and the next meeting I expect all of you to be meeting. Okay, all of you to attend the meeting. Now, coming back to the classes, my dear students. Okay, so till our previous class, what are we studying? Since our previous classes, we are doing the lesson 2, that is word meanings, right? So once again, like our previous classes, today also we will deal with 10 new more word meanings with the sentences as well. And as you know, you have to make your own sentences in that as well. So get ready with your headphones, take out your notebook and textbook, and get ready for today's class. So students, let's begin the class now. So in today's class we will be dealing with 8 new words with their meanings. So the words are careless, carpenter, certain, chef, chairman, classmate and cobbler. So these are the 7 words which we are going to study today. So now beginning with the first word, that is careless. Careless meaning not attentive, thoughtless and irresponsible. 3 different meanings are given here. Almost they all are similar meanings. So careless meanings irresponsible, thoughtless and one who is not attentive. So this word you might have heard before also. जो बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं देते हैं, careless होते हैं, irresponsible होते हैं, उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Careless. So we can say, for example, we can give a sentence as he is a careless student. He is a careless student. Careless meaning one who is irresponsible, thoughtless or not careful. Okay. Now, coming to the second word, that is carpenter. So carpenter, what is the meaning of carpenter? A person who is skilled in wood work. Wood work. Wood यानी कि लकड़ी के काम, है ना? So a person who is skilled in wood work. लकड़ी के कामों में जो बहुत skilled है, जो बहुत specialized है उस काम को करने के लिए. So those people we call them as carpenter. So what is the meaning? A person who is skilled in wood work. Now coming to the next, we will also deal with the sentence of this. So the sentence is, my bed will be made by a carpenter. My new bed will be made by carpenter. मतलब मेरा नया बिस्तर कौन बनाएगा? Carpenter. So my new bed will be made by carpenter. Now coming to the third word of today's class, and that is certain. Certain, which means specific. And another meaning is sure. Certain मतलब कोई एक fixed चीज़ है, we are specific चीज़, and sure means we are sure about it, we are ready about it, we are certain, we are knowing about it. So certain means specific and sure. 2 different meanings are given here. And the sentence for this, we are certain about the exam dates. Yeah, we are not certain about the exam dates. 2 sentences can be made. We are certain or we are not certain. Not certain, if you are using that means we are not specific, we are not sure about the exam dates. हम exam dates को लेके confirm नहीं है. So we are not certain about the exam dates. Now students, these were the 3 words. What are things? Careless, carpenter and certain. Now coming to the next word. The next word is chef. Yeah, chef. Chef meaning a cook in a restaurant. A cook in a restaurant. So who is a chef? A cook in a restaurant. Restaurant में जो खाना बनाते हैं उन लोगों को हम क्या कहते हैं? Chef. So who is a chef? A chef meaning a cook in a restaurant. So I have made a sentence for this. That is, Sanjeev Kapoor is a popular chef. Yes, you might have heard his name. So we are writing the sentence as Sanjeev Kapoor is a popular chef. Okay, have you written it down? Now coming to the next word, that is chairman. Chairman, who is a chairman? Chairman meaning a chief person in an organization or a meeting. कोई भी चीफ पर्सन किसी एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन या इंस्टीट्यूट का या कोई एक मीटिंग के जो भी चीफ पर्सन होते हैं, एनी चीफ पर्सन वी कॉल देम एज द चेयरमैन. ओके, एंड द सेंटेंस फॉर दिस आई हैव रिटन इज, द चेयरमैन वाज वेलकम्ड with a bouquet. The chairman was welcomed with a bouquet. So what's the meaning is, the chairman को क्या से वेलकम किया गया था? बुके से. So the chairman was welcomed with a bouquet. And I hope I don't need to tell it again and again that you have to make your own sentences using these words. That's why I'm leaving a gap after my sentence, so that in that place you will be writing your own sentence. Okay. Coming to the next word, students, the next word is classmate. Who is a classmate? Classmate meaning is one who studies in the same classroom. One who studies in the same class means आपके क्लास में जो भी आपका फ्रेंड है जो आपके साथ पढ़ता है आपकी क्लास में उन्हें हम क्या कहेंगे? क्लासमेट. So who is a classmate? Meaning is one who studies in the same classroom. Okay. So who is a classmate? One who studies in the same classroom. And the sentence for that is my classmates are very naughty. My classmates are very naughty. Just a simple sentence for that. Now coming to the last word of today's class, that is cobbler. Who is a cobbler? The meaning is one who mends shoes. One who mends shoes. जो जूते बनाते हैं या जो फटे हुए जूतों या सैंडल्स को सिलते हैं उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Cobbler. So who is a cobbler? One who mends shoes. And the sentence for that I have written is a cobbler lives near my house. A cobbler lives near my house. A cobbler, एक cobbler मेरे घर के पास रहता है. So a cobbler lives near my house. So my dear students, with this we completed the 7 words which we studied today. Let's recall them. Careless, meaning not attentive, thoughtless and irresponsible. Second word was carpenter. Who is a carpenter? The meaning is person skilled in woodwork. Person skilled in woodwork. Then certain, meaning specific or sure. 2 meanings are given there. Chef. Who is a chef? A cook in a restaurant. Then the next word was chairman. Who is a chairman? A chief person in an organization or a meeting. A chief person in an organization or a meeting. Then the next word is classmate, meaning one who studies in the same class. One who studies in the same class. And the last word is cobbler, meaning one who mends shoes. Okay. Students, I hope you understood the word meanings very well and you also wrote the sentences which I gave you. So remember in mind the format which I showed you in the video. First of all, you have to write the word meanings in the sentence, then the sentence which you will make by your own using that word. So I hope you will be completing your homework and sending me very soon. And your English teacher will be back again in her next class with some new more words to learn. Okay students, till then take care, goodbye.